What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda, and I am part of the resistance. So here is a keychain showing that you're part of the resistance. This is the tag that it comes with, as it comes from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. What we have here in Uridesh, it says something, who knows? And then it says Lucasfilm on the back. We do have a little tiny bronze-like carabiner, screw down sleeve there so you can attach your keys and whatnot, not have to worry about those falling off. And may the force be with you. Black Spire Outpost, Disney. And here in this little housing, it's about the size of a small pocket watch, is the Rebel logo. And this was always meant to be a kind of a covert way to show that you're with the rebellion, the resistance, I guess. And I think at the end of the Last Jedi, Rose has like a ring with this kind of same thing, and she shows it to that kid, if I recall correctly. So we have the spiraling iris. You're probably familiar with something like this on cameras. Seems to open and close pretty well. We have that logo back there, and I would say that they're a little loose. Sometimes they kind of close all the way up, sometimes they don't. I'm sure it was pretty cool to show on the screen, like, yeah, what? You're with the resistance, awesome. But that's all it does. Now, I would say from a keychain standpoint, this is pretty big, bulky, and also relatively heavy here. So, kind of keep that in mind. But if you are really into it, and you really wanted to be on the rebellion side, you probably need to have something like this. Now, me, I always thought it was better to take the Imperial side. One, you know, structured, kind of well-funded, great paid time off and other benefits. Really had you know, a promotion ladder and a career track that you could kind of bet on. And, you know, I think there were a lot of advantages as opposed to the ragtag bunch of Rebel fleet. But that was just me. Different strokes for different blokes. Yeah, if you want to pick up some awesome Star Wars stuff, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out. And I am part of the resistance. And I am part of the resistance.